The 1965 Ford F-100 is a true American classic, known for its rugged design and dependable performance. Jeff Lilly, a name synonymous with high-quality automotive restorations, has taken this iconic vehicle and elevated it to new heights. With his unparalleled attention to detail and innovative approach, Jeff Lilly has created a masterpiece that pays homage to the original while incorporating modern enhancements. The 1965 model year brought several updates, including a more refined interior and improved suspension, making it a favorite among truck enthusiasts and collectors alike. This restoration project by Jeff Lilly highlights the timeless appeal and enduring legacy of the Ford F-100. Engine and performance. Under the hood, Jeff Lilly equipped the F-100 with a powerful and reliable 240-inch inline-six engine. This engine delivers impressive performance both on and off the road. The transmission is a standard equipment 3-speed stick mated to a Curry 9-inch packing 3.70 gears, providing the truck with smooth and responsive driving dynamics. Wheels and tires, front and rear. Wheels 15-inch steel, front and rear. Tires Hankook Optimo P235/75 R15. Jeff Lilly Restorations Bob Ives fabricated new panels and painstakingly TIG welded the gaps on replacement sheet metal body parts to satisfy Massimo's quest for the perfect truck, while Steve Smith fabricated brake lines, master cylinder booster brackets, AC lines, stereo components under the seat. From bare steel, the bodywork progressed into primer using BSF DTM epoxy primer. After a thorough wet-on-wet coating of BSF's Directo Metal epoxy primer, the next product was Evercoat's Slick Sand Polyester Primer Surfacer. The interior of the F-100 was completely overhauled to provide a luxurious and comfortable driving environment. Jeff Lilly retained the classic design elements of the original interior while incorporating modern amenities and materials. The seats were reupholstered in high-quality leather, and the dashboard was fitted with custom gauges and controls. The result is an interior that combines vintage charm with contemporary comfort and convenience. Air conditioning from Classic Auto Air was installed, and a high-amp alternator recharging an AGM vintage battery from Antique Auto Battery Supplies Juice. An additional reason to beef up the electrics, the custom sound system features an Alpine head unit with a USB Bluetooth CD player.